Alright guys, we're here at the drag strip in the Duct Tape Queen. We're right behind Icky Vicky. She's getting ready to make a run. And sorry about the terrible tent in my front windshield, but you guys are just gonna have to live with it.
What does that sound?
That's what sticky the track is. Alright you guys, so I finally got a camera system set up. Hopefully this one will stay with us through the burnout. And we're racing James for the first time. We got a little bit of a side bet going on for some food based on reaction time, total ET, and mile per hour. So best 2 out of 3 gets free food. So we're going to see if we can beat old Icky Vicky here in the Duct Tape Queen and have some fun. It really all depends on whether I hit third gear or not, who wins this one. He's definitely got more horsepower than me, but I'm definitely a lot lighter. We're both got hurt trans. Really, my trans isn't hurt, it's just the clutch. So, all right, here we go, burnout. We're trying to stage now. I don't know if you guys can see the tree. Yes, you can.
You know he's only gonna show if he's like ahead of you.
Tree! Third gear, third gear! We're at 60! We shifted into fourth. We didn't need to. I think we got him. Yeah! Let's see what the time slip says, guys. But, that was nice. We'll let him get in front of us here. He wants to get behind us. All right. That was a good pull. Hopefully that's a low 16. I think we got him by a gap, but I won't know till I see his video. But that was a pretty good run here at Bradenton Motorsports Park in the old Duct Tape Queen up against old Icky Vicky.
Hey guys, this is James here. I just want to give you guys a quick update on Icky Vicky. AJ's inside editing a video. I'm out here working on her. She had 3 injectors down, and she may or may not be having a transmission issue now after drag racing the other night, which I think is going to be in either this video or the one before it, or after this video. I'm not sure where he's going to edit this in. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys. Let's see here. So we got 3 new injectors in. I didn't want to replace all of them simply because of the fact that I knew these were failing, and I'm going to put better ones in eventually. We're waiting to get them all together. We got a Stealth 340 fuel pump that's going to be on its way, and some 24-pound injectors. So we want to make sure that we try not to spend all of our money on stuff that I don't really need. So I just kind of just went ahead and put these remans in here. I think one's GP Sorensen and the other 2 are standard SMP or something like that. So we just wanted to throw these in here just to get the car back up and running. I had a weird thing. It was dumping fuel into the cylinders. It was kind of weird. So we went ahead and replaced those, and we're going to be looking around for a transmission for Icky Vicky, just to kind of get her some of that power back, because like I said, she's slipping really bad in 2nd and 3rd gear. So it's just time. You know, it's an old cop car. You know, they beat the hell out of them, and they don't care. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and slap a new trans in there, and we'll go from there. These are the updated coils that we put in here. I put them in here because when we're running nitrous, I want to see if we can get a better spark going, keep things consistent, easier to tune, and cheaper than Motorcrafts. And from what I understand, they're better, but I mean, I'll be the judge of that, I guess. We'll see. They've ran great so far. Yeah, that's it. Just want to give you guys a quick update.